friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share a recipe for Fanasachi Bhaji, which is very typical of this time of the season where you get plenty of katsa fanas in the market. And this is raw jackfruit that I'm making the bhaji from. I'm using the raw jackfruit which we get in our frozen section, which is called tender jackfruit, and it's from Daily Delight. You can get it from Ashoka also. And if you Mumbai, you would find it in the market itself. So that jackfruit, I have taken it and I've added a little bit of salt to it and maybe half a cup full of water, and I have given 2 whistles to it. So I have taken about 3 tablespoons of oil and it's heating up right now. To that I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of hing, about 2 teaspoons of rye or mustard seeds, and about 2 teaspoons of jeera, and let it splutter. And here you can't be conscious with the oil when you're making Fanasachi Bhaji. To that I've already crushed my garlic, as I told you. So I had my stone that I keep for garlic crushing in my kitchen all the time. And I've crushed the garlic, about 8 to 10 cloves of it. And I've kept husk also, I like the flavor like that. And try it that way and it gives amazing flavor. And to that I'm going to add about 2 to 3 red chilies, which are dry chilies, to this tadka. I'm going to add my garlic now. To that I'm going to add about finely chopped onion, 1 big size or 2 medium size you could take. Saute the onions now nicely. About 5 to 7 minutes it would take. So now onions are sauteing for about 3 minutes now. I'm adding about teaspoon of haldi to this. Saute for a bit. So onions were sauteing for about 7 minutes now. They are nicely softened. To that I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. Lal tikhat dalenge. And as I told you, I had pressure cooked the फणस or raw jackfruit, and it was about 400 grams. So तुम्ही साधारण 400 ग्रॅम एवढं वजन आहे ह्याचं, पूर्ण तो म्हणजे बाकीचा कचरा बिचरा काढून. So it's about 400 grams of, which is 1 pack of that frozen jackfruit I'm using. And I also added a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt, while I was cooking the jackfruit in pressure cooker. So just I've taken 2 whistles to it, and the pieces were like this. So make sure with the fork you just try to press them, and you know that's how you want the consistency. थोडंसं असं press करून घ्या, so छान ते मिळून येणार. So these are the black peas I was telling, which is काळे वाटाणे. So हे छान आता शिजलेत बघा. I had pressure cooked them. So you can see it's nicely cooked. It takes longer to cook these. So as I told you, when you're soaking itself, make sure you add some water, salt to the water, and then you pressure cook it. And I'm going to add that. And I'm going to add about a teaspoonful of salt to this, because our black peas also had salt, and our jackfruit while cooking also we had added half a teaspoon of salt. So I've added about half a cup full of freshly grated coconut to this. My आई would make भरभरीत अशी पेस्ट बनवायची, खोबरं आणि मिरची, ओली मिरची आणि cumin seeds, which is जीरा, आणि ते वाटून लावायची ह्याला. That's how she used to make, आणि ते पण जबरदस्त लागतं. And now I'm just going to let it cook for about maybe 5 more minutes. Cover it and let it cook. And I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery to this. आणि फणसाची भाजी अशी छान थोडीशी गोडसर पण असायला लागते. So I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery. डिपेंड्स हाऊ मच स्वीटनेस यू लाईक, पण मला थोडंसं गोडूस आवडते भाजी. सो जस्ट गिव्ह इट अ स्टर अँड सो इझी टू मेक. इट्स अ बून दॅट वी गेट दिस फ्रोझन जॅकफ्रूट ओव्हर हिअर. सो कधीही मस्तपैकी करता येते. अँड यू नो आय लव्ह दिस भाजी. आणि स्पेशली ह्या सीझनमध्ये तर मी करते जस्ट टू यू नो get back the memories, childhood memories. I used to always make this in this particular season, so it's very nostalgic whenever I make फणसाची भाजी. And try to make it with कैरीची आमटी किंवा अशी लाल वाटपाची आमटी, and tastes amazing. गोळ्याची आमटी बरोबर आहे, खूप छान लागते. मला आताच तोंडाला पाणी सुटलंय. So I'm just going to let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to cover it आणि वाफ येऊ द्या. And our फणसाची bhaji is going to be ready in about few minutes now. So I covered the pan for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now our फणसाची bhaji is ready to be served. I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of grated coconut over it. And can't wait to try it with garma garam पोळ्या, मस्त आमटी भात, कैरीची आमटी आणि भात. Please give it a try and I'm sure you would love it too. So our फणसाची bhaji is ready to be served. Try it with garma garam bhat and daichi amti or kairichi amti. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to palate.